This is without a doubt one of the coolest things I have 3D printed. It's the M1911. I did not design this, but whoever did a freaking sweet job, even way down to the screw down there on the This has been printing since like 10:30 p.m. last night, and it's about 6:24 today p.m. So it's been going for what, like 18 hours or something. It's pretty sweet though, so just had to show this off. It has now been about 24 hours, and we are at 93%. So we've still probably got, I don't know, because it's not as far for it to travel now because it's getting to a smaller and smaller area that needs printed. But man, this thing is looking sweet. And I have it printing at 45% of full speed. Basically 100% is normally what you'd print at, and I have it going at 45%. That's why the details, it's not even coming through really that great on the video. This is probably one of the best prints that I've ever printed out. It's definitely a high quality print.